Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to do a little test drive in a 1972 Challenger. 1972 Challenger. We'll try that again. This has got 318 under the hood. I mean, this thing, the frame is shiny. It's so nice inside and out. Super clean. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. And of course, here on YouTube, we do walk-arounds and test drive videos. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Kind of take a look around the interior before we take off. Start her up. She starts up nice and easy. Make sure we're in neutral. Gas gauge is coming up. Temperature gauge still cold. Showing 4,364 miles. Blower motor's working, so we should get some heat. Wipers are working. Do got an aftermarket radio sitting here, and it's cutting on an Alpine. This interior is like really nice. Look at that. Broadcast sheet. Lay it down so we don't worry about it breaking here. Back seat's in good shape. Package tray looks good. Headliner looks nice. I'm telling you, they went through this car. Let's hit the road. Get my seat belt on. This one here is a 3-speed. Man, keep finding more paperwork. That's the list. Huh. Well, cool. We're gonna take it down the road. Anything that I see, I will point out. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We'll go ahead and hit reverse first. Don't feel like our brake's working. Had it all the way up there. Maybe it is working. Feels like it's kind of stuck. Oh, there it goes. Just got to pull a little harder, don't it? No power steering in this one. I feel like I'm all the way up on the dash here. I need to back up. Oh, now way back here. I need to lay down. I'm gonna try not to drive it like a 4-speed. Let's see. Scoot back a little. There we go. Being real easy because I done pulled out on a dirty road. Ended up getting this car all dirty. Going straight as an arrow down the road. Clutch felt good. Steering's tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Speedometer is wrong. It's off by like 5 or 10 miles an hour. Horn works. Try my brakes out. They feel pretty good. everything's nice and smooth. It's easy to drive. No power steering. I don't think it's power brakes. But it's still nice and tight. Everything feels good. Should be. You get to practically eat off the frame before I drove it down the road just now. Which I honestly do feel bad about doing. But we're gonna go around this parking lot, get some outside shots. See what she sounds like when I fly by the camera. Got it going on. Get ready to take off here. So learned something. That little ticking noise that you were hearing, I thought it was a lifter. You hear that? Little ticking noise around the front end. It's the clutch. You push the clutch in, it's gone. So yeah, not the motor, definitely clutch. I'm sure there's gonna be a bunch of comments on here before I got to that point, because I didn't start it off with that. I didn't realize. I thought maybe it was a lifter at first. But if you watch the walk around video, I talk about it and point it out. I'm here to tell you everything, guys. Ooh, I'm gonna grind it. See, I almost put it in first. That would have been a dumb mistake. It's not first. That would have been reverse. I put it in the non-existing first there. Let's not do that. That sun is bright. Hopefully it's not messing the video up. No, it looks pretty good in the video. I got this close to putting it back into reverse. Oh my gosh. Something that I'd have to do about that. Lock me out of reverse. So on the way over here, I noticed the tip gauge was coming up and then it kind of fell back down. Something I would add to this motor is an aftermarket tip gauge. Just change out the one right here in the dash. I don't want to blind y'all, so I'm going to put this down a little bit, maybe keep the sun down. There we go. Now it's to the side. This road does have a speed bump halfway up through it. It's coming up about right here. Nice and silky smooth. If I remembered that time. Heading on back to the lot. I got one more car to do today. Working over, getting these videos done for y'all. I tell you what, it's not too bad of a time. It feels great out here. It's like 70 degrees. And the cars that I'm doing right now are awesome, so pumped. I'm glad y'all rode with me. Hopefully y'all had as much fun as I did. All right guys, just one last time I'll show you. Hear that little I push the clutch in, it goes away. Just letting you know about that. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Post videos like this every single day. I want you to check out maplemotors.com though. Do have close to 100 detailed pictures. All this inventory that is available is marked on there. So check that out. Definitely check out our TikTok, our Instagram, our Snapchat, and our Facebook. Go and join all that. I really appreciate it. We're gonna be posting a lot of stuff to everything. Pretty much all the time. So if you like to test drive videos, help me out by sharing them. Check out the walk around videos. That way you watch both videos, you know everything about the car. Then give me a call. I'll talk to you about shipping and financing. We got financing available on my website. You can talk to them directly as well. I do appreciate y'all watching. I got one more car to do today and then I'm going home. Let's get it.